ARIA AI is a brand new tool making waves in the AI software world. And if you're considering jumping on the latest trend, you're probably wondering whether it's worth your time. In this ARIA AI review, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. So stick around until the end. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First off, ARIA AI is a next-gen software that leverages artificial intelligence to streamline a variety of tasks, from customer service automation to content creation and data analysis. What sets ARIA apart is its flexibility. It adapts to your specific needs and can work across multiple industries with ease. So if you're a business owner or a digital marketer, this tool could be a game changer for you. Now, if you're new to ARIA AI, you might be wondering how easy it is to actually use. Well, here's the good news. ARIA boasts an intuitive interface that even beginners can navigate without much hassle. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and that's a huge win when you're looking to implement AI into your workflow without a steep learning curve. One of ARIA AI's standout features is its ability to automate tedious tasks. Whether you're handling customer queries or generating reports, this AI software can save you hours every week. Imagine being able to automate email responses, social media posts, and even analyze customer feedback without lifting a finger. This kind of automation can seriously boost productivity, especially if you're managing a growing business. Another critical feature is ARIA's data analysis capabilities. ARIA AI excels at pulling insights from your data, giving you a clearer picture of what's working and what isn't. Whether you're running ad campaigns, gathering market research, or analyzing sales trends, ARIA uses AI to quickly process large sets of data and provide actionable insights. For digital marketers, this is invaluable. But of course, you're probably wondering how secure ARIA AI is. I get it, security is a big deal when it comes to handling sensitive information. ARIA AI uses top-tier encryption to ensure your data stays safe, and their team is constantly updating the system to stay ahead of potential security risks. If you're concerned about privacy, ARIA has got you covered. What makes ARIA AI even more compelling is its customization options. Whether you're running a small business or a large enterprise, ARIA can be tailored to fit your unique needs. You can set up custom workflows, tweak the AI's responses, and even integrate it with your existing software tools. That level of flexibility makes ARIA suitable for just about any business model or operation. Now, you might be asking yourself, is ARIA AI truly worth it? Given its features, especially in terms of automating workflows, streamlining customer interactions, and providing in-depth data analysis, ARIA is a great investment for those looking to save time and scale operations. However, it's important to note that ARIA's true potential comes when you fully integrate it into your daily operations. Like any software, the more you use it, the more powerful it becomes. And the best part, you can try ARIA AI completely free through the first link in the description below. It's a no-brainer if you're curious to see if this software can truly make a difference in your workflow. Finally, if you're still on the fence about ARIA AI, I've got you covered with my personal recommendations for other AI software you can try for free. Check out the description for a list of the tools that have helped thousands of users optimize their business processes. After testing out thousands of AI tools, I only recommend the best, so don't miss out. That's it for today's ARIA AI review. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the links below and start exploring ARIA AI for yourself.